Live from the 24-hour tracking center, this is a winter weather alert.
Yesterday we had the wind with the sunshine. Still a lot of blowing snow out there, but we had a break from that snow. Today we get the wind with snow. Snow hasn't arrived yet, at least not in most areas, but you can see it's just off to our west, the first narrow little band out there. Let's stop this radar loop for you, and you'll be able to see this band of snow out there. We'll track it into the area, and essentially it's moving east at about 40 miles an hour, maybe a little bit quicker than that. Into the lake shore, we'll take it right into Holland location, arriving just before 1 o'clock or before the end of the noon hour, and US 131 into the Grand Rapids area. If the eastern fringe of it doesn't evaporate a little bit, we're looking at about a 1:30 arrival time. So this is just the first of, well, a main batch heading our way. Now here's a broader view. You can see this area of snow. Here's the main batch of snow. There's kind of a curl in here with an area of low pressure. Deeper shades of blue indicate some of the heavier snow amounts. This area moved through the Minnesota area and also through Minneapolis and dumped about 1 to 4, some isolated 5-inch amounts, and that's what I can expect here. I'm tracking the secondary area into West Michigan where the heavier snow is. We're looking at arrival time into the lake shore sometime. Lost it there for a sec, and we'll try that again one more time if we can. Hold on. There we go. 4:30 time frame with some of that heavier snow, US 131, sometime around 5:30. What does that tell you? That tells you when you head home from work today, conditions are not going to be great. Not only because of the snow, but also because of this wind, this seemingly endless wind. And we'll see sustained winds right on through the afternoon into the mid-evening hours, right around 20, possibly 30 miles an hour. Finally, it will subside later on tonight, and by tomorrow morning, we won't see blowing and drifting snow. But in the meantime, you can see that wind with the snow is going to correspond with this evening's commute. So it's going to get a little nasty out there, especially areas from 131 westward. The wind gust, currently 26-mile-an-hour wind gust. That's not too impressive, but as that front gets closer to us, I expect the wind gusts and the wind to pick up this afternoon. We've had some wind gusts, well, you can see 37 right there in the Muskegon area. We'll see a few over 40 miles an hour at times. Temperatures, yeah, first time since Sunday we've had temperatures above 20 degrees, and we've had 13 days in a row with temperatures below average. Actually, the last time we hit a temperature of freezing, 32 degrees, was way back on January 20th, so quite a streak. Wind chill, well, down in single digits, at least in most areas, and we'll be hovering around 10 above for much of the afternoon. Here's a FUTURECAST. You can see that snow moving in mostly from west to east as it looks right now, and you can see that snow, 5 o'clock time frame, corresponding with this evening's commute out there right over West Michigan. Most of it should be over by midnight, and even some clearing taking place behind it. Don't be too surprised to see a little bit of sunshine tomorrow morning, just like what we had this morning. But watch this. Another area of snow creeps from the south northward, and that is signs of already the next snowmaker heading our way. For this one, we're looking at a general 1 to 3 inches in the lighter shade of gray here, 3 to 4 enhancement. Muskegon up towards central western Newaygo County, right into Oceana County as well. Here's the 8-day forecast for you. We get a little bit of a break tomorrow. Southern counties have a decent chance of picking up some light snow late in the day. Pardon me, sorry. We're looking at that secondary snow system on Saturday. It's kind of a flip. It looks like on Saturday the heavier amounts will be south and southeast of Grand Rapids as opposed to with this one, northwest of Grand Rapids. And at this point we're looking at anywhere from 2 to maybe 6 inches. That 6-inch amount, I would place it somewhere around Jackson, Battle Creek area at this stage. And then we get a break Sunday and Monday, pretty nice days actually. And then another storm system possible for next week. That's why you see that possible storm. That one will be coming up from the south, and each one progressively could give us more and more snow. So that one mid part of next week could really bring down the hammer, but we have to hone in on that, and it's not a slam dunk. So
okay,
stay tuned.
Well, you can tell a big difference on the roads from just one day
with
because
that sunshine yesterday,
yes,
and the salt working.
And the salt now
yes,
with a little bit of a warmer temperature, even though it's still very cold.
Right.
It's not like it was.
Right. Yeah.
It's
but
a lot
later
better.
today, it's going to be downhill once again.
Okay. Well, we had our break. Right, Matt? Thank you.